Okay, so the first step always is get the hair wet. Okay, so get the hair wet. After that, you're gonna wash the first time with clarifying shampoo from Amazon Advance. Okay, this is the biggest secret about Amazon Advance. My client has a very dry hair, the way I show you guys, right? So that's why I'm gonna use for the hair, I'm gonna use Prakashi shampoo dry hair. But also she has the scalp with too much oleosity and dandruff. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use Maracuja peeling shampoo only for the scalp, and after I'm gonna apply Prakashi shampoo, okay, for the hair. So you always can mix and match. So the peeling shampoo is concentrate on the scalp, okay? And you can leave the peeling shampoo over there, and at the same time you come in with Prakashi, okay, shampoo, the one I'm gonna use for her hair. So I just come and apply the Prakashi on the hair. That means you use two shampoos, one for the scalp, the one is the peeling, the other one to start treat the hair. That's the secret for Amazon Advance. If some clients, guys, is not gonna need the peeling, that's no problem, okay? If your client don't have velocity, don't have a dandruff, you just use the shampoo you decide, okay? So always we're gonna start from the neck to up, okay? I always recommend it to divide the hair in 3 sections. Get the product almost as a coloring, okay? You will put the product on the hair and just as a color, you apply. Don't touch the skin. Good tip, never apply on the ends. 3 fingers to 4 fingers from the ends, don't apply. So left ends out. Why? Because ends always is a very process. So you apply section by section, okay? You make sections like 1 finger section and you divide, okay? And make the application. It's very fast, okay guys? One tip I'm gonna give it to you girls, it's like you need to align the hair, okay? So you're gonna use the brush to apply, and you're not gonna use the thinner comb, the one I show you guys, this one, but for making your life easy, you can use comb like this, okay? Because this comb is gonna help you to align, and always you align the hair with the other parts. When you do the application for the side parts, we cut in this direction and you take the hair to the back, okay? So always the application is gonna be in this way, but you never touch the scalp. Make sure you cover all as a color application. One more time. Last step is when you rinse the hair just 70%, okay? So here is a very, very important step. You're not gonna rinse all, and you're gonna keep 30% on the hair. And you see like the hair is still with some product on, look like the water, okay? With the water with the product, it's okay. If it's clear, because no more product, that means you remove too much. So now is the blow dry time, okay? It's very important to make very straight blow dry and put the ends to inside. Have a very good brush, very good blow dry. That's gonna help you a lot. Okay, girls, I'm gonna show this. Like this hair, I just finished blow dry. And I wanna you girls see how shiny, how light, and also how straightened this hair is. So that's one of the secrets. If you make a very good blow dry, very nice blow dry, when you come with the flat iron, the ceramic, the only thing we're gonna do is seal the product, make the hair shiny, and that's it. A lot of clients ask me, Roberta, how many times I need to do the flat iron? You must do until you see the hair is very shiny and soft. That's the secret. And always put the ends to inside. Okay, girls, this is the final result. Can you see that? Look this hair. Look like how shiny, how beautiful it is. The client also can wash the hair anytime.